Here it is, the starting of the 2024 boating season, and you're sitting there wondering, which boat am I going to get? Well, take a look at this 2017 242 Limited SE Yamaha jet boat. She's 24 feet, well powered with a twin 180 horsepower high output Yamaha engines, loaded with features, has a subwoofer, electronic fly-by-wire, and cruise control system on her. Dual gauges, easy to operate, easy to own. Some of the creature comforts are the sea deck interior, room for a porta potty. We've got full biminis fore and aft on her for sunshade protection, and a bow filler cushion so you can have a nice lounge pad there. She sits on this tandem axle painted trailer with the swing away tongue, chrome wheels, chrome diamond plate step. She's good to go. Come by, hook her up, and start your summer fun. Here we are with this 2017 242 Limited S Yamaha E-Series out of the water. Coming down along the starboard side, we have the pop-up cleats. We've got the extended bimini. The canvas is actually stowed. Note the chrome wheels on the trailer and the diamond step plates right there. Here at the transom, we're loaded with features. We have our boarding ladder, sea decking, seats right back here for aft facing, table mounts. We've got a shower right here and our stereo. Coming down the port side for another view, note that rich black and red hull. And then here we are back at the bow with the jack, swing away tongue, and boarding right here. From here, we're going to launch the boat. Here we are with this 2017 Yamaha in the water. Overlooking the bow, we've got snaps for the bow cover, forward boarding ladder, some nice padded seats. Notice the Taylor curved windshield on that. And up here, we've got a bimini. We have it down for right now, but you have full cockpit coverage. Here at the transom, note we have the sea decking material, a table mount, stainless steel cup holders, stereo, and seating right here. From here, let's go aboard. Here we are on the transom seating on this 242 Yamaha. We've got our seating, aft facing seating here, seat decking. On the port side, we have our stereo speakers and speakers right there, ski tow eye, and then a washdown and table mount on this side right here. Behind these seats, we've got lots of storage. Access to the cockpit is nice and easy. There's a removable cushion that goes in there, so you end up with a complete U-shaped seating all the way around. There's storage up under both of these seats. We've got dual batteries right there. Engine access is nice and easy. Just lift that seat up. There's our twin 180 horsepower high output engines right there with about 150 hours on them. As we circle around, we have our engine flushes right there. Here at the helm, we have a very well padded captain seat with the thigh rise bolster. It actually swivels all the way around so you can be part of the group. Our dual shift and throttles right there. This is a fly-by-wire system. All of our gauges are within line of sight. Our electronics and engine readouts are all there. We have our cruise control, no wake, media center, tilt steering, port and starboard engine stops right there. Circling to port, we have another captain's chair. It swivels and reclines. We also have lockable storage down below, lots of cup holders and more storage right there. On the port side, we have a nice little facility right here. We can add a porta potty or just use it for more storage. Now we also have the sea deck inserts, so this whole area is covered with the gray sea decking material. Our wind dam door here closes off the bow and blocks our wind right there. And then we have another storage compartment. Moving forward, this oversized bow, she's nice and deep. We've got our grab rails, got storage under these seats. We also have a nice filler cushion for in here for a complete sun pad to enjoy. As we move forward, there's more of that colored sea decking. And then lifting this up, we have our forward boarding ladder and our anchor right there. We also have docking lights on this vessel. She's neat, clean, has about 150 hours, just serviced, ready to go. Viewer today, owner tomorrow at South Mountain Yachts.